In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Qatar Airways flight upgraded new. Update. We'll walk through the exact path on the Qatar Airways website so you can quickly see if an upgrade is available for your booking and complete it in just a few clicks. Before you start, have your booking reference handy. That's the 6-character code on your confirmation, and make sure you know the exact last name on the reservation. Matching those details precisely helps the system find your trip right away. Open your browser and go to QatarAirways.com. On the homepage, look for the Manage or Check-in area in the main navigation. This section is where Qatar Airways keeps all tools related to existing trips. Click into it and then choose Manage Booking. This takes you to a simple lookup page. Here, type in your booking reference and your last name exactly as they appear on your ticket. Avoid spaces or special characters that aren't shown on your confirmation. When you're ready, click Retrieve Booking. The site will pull up your itinerary, including each flight segment, passenger details, and available actions. Once your trip loads, look for an option to upgrade. Depending on your eligibility and what's available, you may see Upgrade, Cash Upgrade, or Upgrade with Avios. If you're a Privilege Club member and logged in, Avios options may appear here. Otherwise, you'll typically see a cash upgrade offer. Select the flight segment you want to upgrade. Review the price or Avios amount and check what's included, such as lounge access, additional baggage, and priority services. Prices can vary by route, cabin availability, and timing, so it's normal for offers to change as departure approaches. When you've chosen the upgrade that works for you, proceed to confirm. If it's a paid upgrade, you'll enter payment details on the secure checkout page. If it's an Avios upgrade, make sure your account has enough balance, then follow the prompts to apply points. After confirmation, you'll receive an updated e-ticket by email, and your booking will reflect the new cabin. If online check-in is already open, you can re-check in to get an updated boarding pass showing your upgraded seat. A few quick tips to maximize your chances. Availability is dynamic, so if you don't see an offer right now, check back periodically as seats open and close. Make sure names match perfectly to avoid lookup errors. If you're traveling with others, upgrade options may appear per passenger, so review each traveler individually in your booking. And that's it. By using the Manage Booking page on QatarAirways.com, entering your details, retrieving your trip, and selecting the available upgrade offer, you can move to a higher cabin in just a few minutes.